Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making chiles rellenos, but before we get started, please subscribe and like this video. The ingredients I will be using today are 5 poblanos, mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, almond flour, and for my sauce, I will be using 3 Roma tomatoes, a little piece of white onion, minced garlic, cream cheese, and caldo de pollo. I'm gonna roast my pasilla peppers. And my 3 Roma tomatoes. And for my sauce, I just cut off a piece of white onion. I'm gonna use half of the cream cheese. Okay, and some minced garlic. And I'm gonna add a spoonful of the chicken flavor. And then I'm gonna add a spoonful of the tomato. I forgot about this one. 6 cups of water right here is 2. Another 2 cups, that's 4. My last 2, so that's 6 cups of water. 3 of my Roma tomatoes. And now I'm gonna put this in a little pan, or a big pan. I'm using a strainer to get all of that chunks of the tomatoes and the foam. My pasilla peppers are done now. I'm gonna take them out, put them in a plastic grocery bag, and let them sweat for like 5 minutes, and then I'll start peeling them. Add some garlic powder to this. Usually cabbage is a garnish, but today it's a side salad. So now that I'm finished peeling them, I'm gonna cut a line down the middle and then take out the seeds. A napkin for this. So have it open. I'm gonna throw in my mozzarella cheese in here. Okay, they are not perfect whatsoever. So I have my 2 eggs. I'm gonna separate the whites from the yolks. And I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes, maybe less, I'll see. Now it's stiff. I'm gonna add in my yolks. Okay, so I have a plate. I'm gonna throw in my almond flour. and a little bit of this chicken bouillon. Okay. On this, you cannot make it in advance. For the batter, it doesn't work. Okay, so I have my pasilla peppers. I'm gonna dip it into the almond flour first, and then into my egg batter. Okay, and I'm gonna fry it. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I didn't use no toothpicks on this. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Okay, it's all coated. Again, dip into my egg batter. And then into the pan. Okay. I have a dinner bowl. It's really thin. It's like almost like a plate bowl. So I'm gonna take out my, now I'm gonna add my side salad. Okay, I am sweating. It is hot in here, but I am gonna try this. Got some salad and my chili. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Toodles.